Hi, I'm Brian Ferguson. I work for J&J Truck Bodies Trailers, and my new position is engineering manager. Been with J&J for a little over 16 years. Started off in the R&D department. Anything new and improved came through us. Take what the customer had as an idea, put it on paper, show it to them, impress them, wow them, make them realize that J&J is what they want. We build it, and the customer was happy. New role is engineering manager, which I will be overseeing, I think, 7 people under me. I like that I'll be able to model what the customer wants and put it in the shop. The shop builds it, I get to see the end product. You have to work with the shop because I don't know how everything goes together. They don't know how I'm modeling it. So you have to have a good relationship between the two, engineering and foreman, and also the fabricators. Being able to actually model something and then putting it on paper and seeing the process of how it's being built. You almost want to help them fabricate it. At least that's how I feel, because I want to be involved with it from start to finish, from when it gets cut to the parts, to being fabbed to an understructure, working with QC, working with sales, and having that end user customer happy and saying, wow, that's exactly what I wanted. I take pride in my work. I want the fabricator to take pride in his work. I want the installer to take pride in his installation. I want QC to make sure that it is up to snuff, ready to go, so when it hits the real world, it's ready to go and it doesn't fail, doesn't crack, doesn't break. It does exactly what the customer wanted.